Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Samuel Okoyocha. I want to bring you, I want to bring you technical analysis of forex, crossing pays, gold and silver, and the rest of them. Technical analysis based on an advanced method of Elliott Wave analysis. The time is 2:35 p.m. Today is Sunday, the 6th day of June 2021. Okay, let me start. In previous analysis or USDJPY, you can see USDJPY, you can see what I'm looking at, I'm looking for. So, in my opinion, if you have USDJPY buy, I close my buy somewhere around here. So this very drop is a signal that this will actually happen. So my focus is that USDJPY will give us an A, B, C. So we have gotten the A, this is the B, and the B ended with the ending diagonal. I said this in detail in my analysis. So we're looking for wave C, which we likely take the price back to 107, 106 area. So I'm looking for sell. Okay, that's my own opinion on USDJPY. Okay, let's proceed. Oh, okay. Oh, Bitcoin. Oh, I did close this chat. Anyway, let me say something about it before I continue. But this is not for crypto analysis, but take this Bitcoin. Bitcoin, I posted this on my Telegram channel and to a group of people who want to know about Bitcoin on our WhatsApp group yesterday. I mean, on Friday, I think. On Bitcoin, we have two scenarios. Either the price keeps going down after this A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D is the complete correction, which you see the price go to 22,000, 23,000 area. Or we might have a delay, which means this is an we get this A, B, C, D, E. Then this will serve as A, B, C. So either we have this drop from here to here, or we have a delay, which will keep the price up to near 45, 47, 48,000. And after that, the drop will come. So in any case, I'm looking for either a drop from here or a buy and a drop from here. So if you have Bitcoin and depending on where you bought it, just be patient. Don't sell a Bitcoin, because if you sell, it will eventually go up someday. But when it will go up, I don't know. But don't think that it will go to zero. No, it will never. The only reason you sell a Bitcoin, maybe you don't have any other money and they want to save life. So if you can manage your life, be patient. If you bought the Bitcoin when the price was high, be patient. It will still go up someday. That's my advice anyway. So don't panic buy or panic sell. There was a video I made, what you must know before you buy or sell Bitcoin. Search for the video on my YouTube channel, you will see it. What you must know before you buy or sell cryptocurrencies. So that video is very educative. It's a free video. Search for it, and you will have some knowledge and know how you go about trading crypto. Okay, I continue. DXY, I want to start with daily candle on DXY. Let me find it. In today's analysis, I want to take you back to daily charts so that you don't lose the focus of the current, focus of long time targets. Why I want to do this is that sometimes if you forget about long time targets, short-term targeting may confuse you, but if you know where we are going, then you will be prepared for both areas. So now what am I trying to let you know? After this bullish movement, we expect a three-wave pullback. And this is a perfect wave air move. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a perfect air move because it's always impulse. And this is A, B, C. That is B move. you can see is in a three waves move, but though the three waves is not a perfect wave, but nevertheless is a corrective move, and this is B. And the one thing with C is the C developing. If the C ended here, that means we have a truncation of price move. So that's the I'm saying this. I'm expecting the wave C to come down to 86, 84, even 83 price area. So this is where the wave C is will really come before we talk about another bullish move. So that's what I want to show you daily. Then we go to 4 hours to see what we have at the moment. So in 4 hours, you can see this very move have ended here. So this sharp drop doesn't mean that we are going down anywhere again. So unless we break this white line, if not, I have seen the markets after doing this keep going to the different direction. News may cause this, though I don't listen to news or care much about news, but news may cause this. And when I saw this rejection, I thought we have another drop to this level, but it moves slowly and go back. So news might cause this, and the news only have short-term effects on the market. So if this is what news cost, then maybe we likely have a price to move back as soon as possible. So after this move, we expect the price to go down. But before that, I'm expecting the price to go down even farther than this. This is just a minimum target. On the last video, you see that our minimum target is 95, 19, and 7. Anyway, I have a zoomed chart where I show you our main target, but this minimum target is 92, 93 area. So let's go to the other chart. Now, this is a zoomed chart of 4 hours, the same 4 hours. You can see that this is wave A, this is wave B. The wave C, you see us 95, 96, or 97. So just get prepared, even if the price drops once more to this line, as I show you on the zoomed chart, even if this drop happens to come down to this area, maybe this continues to go down, it doesn't mean that you will not have the bullish move. So know that our target is this is minimum. Then after this, we may get a correction and this, a correction and this. So main target is 95 at least, 96, 97. Okay. This is USD. USD always the opposite of DXY. So USD, this is A, B, C. Don't mind the labeling. I forgot to put ABC, but we are after this drop, our main target is 1.3, 1.2, 1.3, 1.35, 1.36. So here is our target, but it's not coming here directly. We will actually have a price, maybe ABC, before this will happen. So I show you so that you know that buying have not ended. Buying might have ended in 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, but on daily chart and weekly, buying is still going on. So have this in mind, so that if market turns abruptly, you know that buying is still on. So now, sorry. Okay, now 4 hours to USD 4 hours. This is the zoom chart on 4 hours. I want to show you that once here is broken, look for price to drop to 1.17, 1.16. So this is what we are looking for, and this channel is already broken. Let me zoom out to show you. You can see that we have A, B, C. So we have gotten A, B, and C we follow. So what I'm trying to say that USD is, I'm looking for sell on USD. I'm not looking for buy. Even if the price begins to buy, I will have patience when the buying finishes. Okay, because this very sharp move, just as I said on DSY, that news can cause this. So this can be 1, this can be 2. Then the 3 might be in progress. So as long as the conversion level is here, when price comes below this place, then the selling will be confirmed. If the price keeps going up slowly, I'll be happy because instead of here, I will look for buy somewhere here or any. In fact, I'm looking for sell. If price keeps going up, I'll keep looking for where I'll enter the sell, not buying. If you can buy, maybe 1 hour candle can give you a reason to buy. But if we are a swing trader, you only look for sell. That's my own idea. Okay, JPY. This is another daily chart. I'm trying to give you long-term view on the chart. So this is WX. Then we're looking for Y, which means we're looking for 140, 141, 142, 143, and so on. So after the current selling, the buy is not over. That's what I'm trying to say about JPY. This is the daily chart. So standard movement is that this WXY, that Y we cross this place and enter this blue ball. That's standard movement, unless we have a truncation. Okay, on 4 hours, you can see 4 hours, we have a channel. The channel is broken, but ideally, entering a trade straight away may delay you are selling. It may confuse you. Even if I enter a sell from here, if it is going up, I will not be afraid. But it's not advisable to enter a sell until it crosses a confirmed level. Unless maybe on 1 hour, you may see another reason to sell from here. Maybe if you get a pullback, you sell from here, but ideally, let it go below this place, below 133, 133 area before we look for sell. So, but one thing is sure, after this selling is just wave 4. After that, wave 5, we take the price to 136, 137, 138, or thereabout. So look for sell for now. Euro AUD. I don't want to go to daily charts, but this is an ending diagonal, and it has broken already. So whatever is happening here, I don't have any other option than to sell. Though the selling might not be deep, but I want to see the selling before I talk about to buy again. So AUD is a sell market. So markets get tired of buying around here, but the selling delayed. But right now it has started. Any pullback on 1 hour will give us a reason and an area to sell from. So you can see this is 1 hour chart. So any move, it might not be this, it may be sharp, it may be an A, B, C. So I'm just looking for where to enter, sell. Okay. Any pullback, either flag or ABC or flat or zigzag, whatever happen, triangle, whatever, is where we will enter the sell. Ideally, it will happen around here. New Zealand, this chart, if you're not experienced to trade, I'll tell you to leave it alone. The reason is that this can be A, B, then the C will happen before the buying. Alternatively, this is A, B, and the C is happening. So we might see the price continue going up from here. So if you look at this very drop, it's somehow similar to this. Everybody will think that we will have A, B, C, but you can see it just keep going up. So if you want to repeat, you can see this is A, then this is B, and this is C. If not, in fact, what I will do is if I have an A, B, C, I will buy from this level. So that's the best thing to do about this, to do on this very one. Okay. So 1 hour, Euro New Zealand, 1 hour give us a better view of that. So 1 hour suggests that we will have an A, B, C. Not a must. I think it will happen. If it happens, that will be the best thing on this pair. Then I will look for buy from here, then to this place before I will close the trade and look for buy. So 1 hour is best chart to monitor this Euro New Zealand. Euro Chef is building a very nice structure. I like this structure, but mind you, this can continue to go like this till this very area. But one thing is sure, this is daily chart. On 4 hours and 1 hour, you will see a better, you have a better view of that. Maybe from there you will enter the buy you are looking for. So I'm not looking for sell as long as daily candle is concerned. So I wish we get this. I wish we get this drop. You can see WXY give us an A, WXY give us B, another WXY. So this C, if it comes down to this place, it will be a perfect sell-off, perfect movement. Then from here we look for buy. And this time, this buying will likely break everything because it has lingered there much. So I don't see it coming up here and coming down here again. It's possible, but if I get a buy here, what I will do, I will only move my trade to stop to break even whenever I am in profit, and then I will take the risk of having my profit reduced. If market comes back from this area. Okay. Eurocard. Eurocard is another amazing, not amazing anywhere. It's amazing somehow because this is very delayed. I never expected this type of trend to occur. I was thinking about maybe a simple A, B, C somewhere here, and we buy. But you see, it keeps delaying and delaying. So I think we are at the final stage of the selling. So let's go to 4 hours. So what are we looking for? A similar move like this is what I'm looking for. So let's go to 4 hours. On 4 hours, you can see that we have another channel on 4 hours. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then A, B, C. Alternatively, these 5 have not ended. Here might be this wave 4. This 4 can be somewhere here. We might have another drop to this place before this. But the structure I'm looking at shows me that this is 5 and this is A, B. We're gonna have C. If you have C, then we might have another drop if the sellers are not tired. In any case, if the trend has ended here, then this channel will be broken and the price will keep buying from here. So what I'm trying to say, I will buy this pair when this little channel is broken. Then I will close the trade here. If this sharp drop happens, I'll take the profits I have and look for sell. That's if I get a rejection. Or if I get something that shows me that this selling will happen, I will sell and target this low. If it keeps going up after this place, I'll look for buy again. Okay. Let's move. Eurocard. You can see 1 hour. You can see the channel where it gets interested. So you might keep getting this move, this move, this move, this move. But what is my message? There's no good reason to sell when this is happening. You only look for buy when this is happening. So once here is broken, or if you know how to trade, if you know how to recognize a good buy setup, if we get a drop again, you can look for buy setup around here. If you know how to get a buy setup. So there's no big deal about trading this, but selling, I don't see reason to sell. All right. Euro pounds. I didn't show one daily candle, a daily chart. Anyway, in any case, I'm looking for a drop. If I get a drop, I will look for buy from here. So this is WXYXZ. It's a complete structure already. Even if it doesn't drop further, if it keeps going up, I will look for buy based on 1 hour chart. But if it comes down, I'll be happy. Then from here, I will look for buy. So I'm not looking for sell as long as JPP is concerned. Even if it is going down, I will not sell because this Z might be trying to make an expanding Z. So you may see the price come to this level. Then you think it's going more, then it will turn back very fast. Okay. Okay, you can see 1 hour. 1 hour already is showing the signs of buying. This move is strong. Then if you are buying, ideally stop loss will be here. The target is much. So just look for a little pullback and join the buyers. Remember, all this is not a recommendation, but an advice on my view on the market. That is, I'm telling you how I trade. Okay, you are responsible for your decision, and the market, you know that any market can turn at any time. You can lose. Market is risky, in as much that my analysis have been correct 80% of the time or more. Not to mean that all might not be correct. So if you are telling you that you are taking a risk, so I will not take blame if you make losses. After all, when you make a profit, you don't give me any share of it. So I'm telling you my view. I also make losses. So whatever I'm telling you is how I trade. If it goes bad, know that I also make the losses. So understand that. Okay, this is USD card. USD card have been going down slowly. When this opportunity is happening, you monitor it closely, because when it begins to go up, you can get 1,000 pips within 2 days, or within a week. You get 1,000 pips. That's one good thing about this type of price movement. If you can catch it when it begins to move, you will submit to the bank. Let's go to 4 hours. In 4 hours, you can see I've been expecting the price to come to this blue box, but it seems it's not coming to the blue box again. Maybe it's tired of going up. But in any case, this is the level I will enter by if the market keeps going up strongly above this level. Then I will buy. If it drops once more, I will look for buy from this very range. So as I said it before, the market have been going down for a long time now. So if it keeps going up now, it would be a surprise. So this wave 5 might have ended here, though there is still chances for a further drop. Okay, let's move. Okay, 1 hour, the 1 hour chart. You can see the 1 hour. 1 hour suggests that we will have another drop. And this is the 3 waves move. 1, 2, 3, or maybe A, B, C. It's not a typical impulsive move. That's why I suggest maybe we may have another 1, 2, 3, or even 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this blue box, 1 hour suggests that we must still enter this blue box, or at least this yellow box, unless we see a rapid move to upward again. Then after a break of this, we will buy. But this 1 hour suggests that the selling is not over, because if it's an impulse move, we will get this sharp move, then A, B, C, another sharp move. But you can see it gives us A, B, C, and the sharp move down. So selling from here is not, of course, what I will do, if I get this pullback I'm looking for, I will sell from here. But immediately the price enters profit, I will keep it to break even, because this can surprise anybody. You might be waiting for it to go to the blue box, or even to this blue area. It may just come to this level, break it slightly, and go up. USDJPY, I have shown you this previously, so no need to go there again. USDTF, you know, the chef is very strong these days. Years back, whatever USDJPY is doing, USDTF is also doing that. But in this case, USDJPY is going up, while USDTF is keep going down. But one day, this going down will end, and up move will happen. So after this, I'm looking for A, B, C. We have gotten the A. and is the edge is a perfect impulse count. Wave B is neither zigzag. It also looks impulsive. Nevertheless, wave B, I think, have ended. Wave C is what will happen. Now, you see this green arrow. If wave B is still happening, then the market will turn back from this area and come back. If it has happened, if it has finished, then look something like this to happen. So I'm looking for buy on USD chef, right? I mean, based on daily charts, let's go to 4 hours. So 4 hours, you can see the move is not just that's impulsive, and this sharp drop that happened in other pays, it didn't help the matter. Nevertheless, it calls for careful. Even if we have a drop, if the drop continues to come to this place, then I'll be looking for buy from here. As a matter of fact, I don't have any reason to sell USD chef. As long as daily and 4 hours candle is concerned, I will only sell if I see a sell setup on 1 hour. And you know 1 hour is a short time sell. So AUD USD. On AUD USD, all this move, it has been going up for a long time. And if you see this is wave 1, 2, and wave 3 have 5 waves in it. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see another 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. Then you can see the bigger 1, 2. One, two, 3. This is a mistake. 3 is supposed to be here, then 4 will be here, then 5 will be somewhere there. So what I'm trying to say is that in all this move, we expect a good 3 waves pullback. This is too short for all this long time wasting months and months and months and months. So I'm looking for A, B, C. Now the C, minimum target for the C is this blue box. That is 0.73735, 734, 733 area. But if it will go deep, then expect it to come to 0.705 area. But you know, this is a long time forecast anyway. Let me go to 4 hours. So this might not confuse you. Let me go to 4 hours. So now in 4 hours, here is the deal. Because of our long time view, normally when we get this type of range, we expect the market to break it and keep going up. Now you can see, as I thought it will happen when this rejection occurred, my last video I circled this because in candlestick analysis, when you see this, expect a big move. But you can see market dropped again. And as I always say, this might be an effect of news. I mean, this up buy this might be an news effect. So this alone can't make me to buy this pair after seeing that daily is trying to give us an A, B, C. So I will only look if on 1 hour time frame, if I see sell setup, I will take it around here because we might get something like this, it can happen. But if it give a sharp drop again, close of this place will give me a reason to look for sell. Let me check if I have 1 hour candle here. I didn't have 1 hour 1 hour chart, but look for 1 hour. Anyway, if you are my student and you are on my WhatsApp charts, sorry, my WhatsApp or Telegram charts, then if you need the 1 hour, let me know. I'll show you 1 hour. And you know, I do so many analysis, so it's time consuming. Sometimes I ignore the ones that are not important. Okay, so don't mind that the analysis ends in something 40 minutes, 1 hour, but it takes time to analyze. So now you can see daily gold. I just want to remind you what I said earlier, that price comes back to this level is not ruled out. Just to remind you, as long as this level has not been broken, gold can still come back to 1600 area. It's possible. It does happen. It does happen. Okay, because I remember when this happened, when you get this WXY or maybe ABC, people thought it's going back again. I told them, if this place is not taken out, I'm still looking for this place, and it's happened. So, and this very move is somehow corrective rather than impulsive. So it's 50-50. We might have another big drop, though it may not come as deep as here, but we are likely to have another big drop because the move is not that swift and fast. Let me go to 4 hours. So on 4 hours, remember on my last video, I expected this very channel to be broken and to bounce back. It didn't happen when I expected. It happened later than I expected. But what is important, it has happened, and the bounce back has happened. Now, the question is, can we still get to this top, or will we have a bounce on this white line? Now, in my opinion, we will likely have sales setup around this white channel, but to be on the safe side, to be conservatively wait for the break of this low to sell. So what am I saying? Buying gold is not for me, at least for the time being. And I see, unless I see the market changes, market change, then I'll still reason to buy. But for now, no reason to buy. Silver. Two things. This is an A, B, C. If that is the case, expect this before this. What am I saying? Either the white line happens, or this is 1, this is 2. Then we're getting maybe 1, 2, 3 as well, 3 or 5 of 3 or 5. If that is the case, then we likely not go beyond this area. Then the study will continue. So what am I saying? Monitor your 1 hour charts to know which one we are getting. All right. New Zealand US dollar. New Zealand US dollar. This daily chart also gives us reason to look for sell. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a perfect impulse move. And this to me is too small to be the whole correction. So that's why I label it WXY. Then it is all wave A. Then this wave B and wave C is what I'm looking for. So this very bullish move might not last. Let's go to 4 hours. Okay. 4 hours. We will only be monitoring this very candle, whether it will give us a buy setup or not. But even if it gives us a buy setup, the buy setup will not go much. In fact, I don't see this market going above this again for now. That's my own view. So what am I trying to say? Looking for sales setup will make a lot of sense, especially when the price comes below this place. That's when sales setup will make a lot of sense. But if you get a kind of move, this kind of move, then you can buy to this area. But if you make the buy, I don't think it will break this and keep going. I think it will just give us uh, a setup around this area. Then from here we get the sale we're looking for. So it's based because for doing what I saw on daily charts is why I'm doing this. Because if you forget the daily chart, you may think this will happen, then this will happen, and this will happen. So you don't have a good idea to overlook the big time move, because it shows the key to the market. All right. So what next? Oh, perfectly. I don't. I forgot. I have the one I can do here. Okay, now see, it depends on what happens here. I have explained it on 4 hours, so no need to wasting time here again. So maybe ABC to this place, then from here, if you get to set it up, it will be a very nice sell. It will be a very nice trade if you get to set it up inside this blue box. If at all it happens, because market can open, you see a sharp move like this again happening. Okay. Pounds JPY. Pounds JPY. One thing is sure, I'm no longer interested in buying. So this might not happen. You might see the price coming down from this area, at least to this level. Then if it happens, it will be a nice trade because it will be an A, B, C. Even if it happens, buying it, I don't like it because it will just do something like this. And it will likely be the end of the bullish move, at least for the moment, and the sale will continue. I prefer to sell now than to buy on pounds JPY. So pounds USD, I will only sell pounds USD. So not minding this line is broken and price comes back again. To me, it seems what news can do. And as I said before, what news causes doesn't last. So if market enters, I will look for sell setup. And my cost price, sorry, my stop loss might be here or here. Why I made this is that the price might do some little move up. It will be better for me if I see the price move up small, because I will look for selling from this very top. Pounds USD, I'm looking for sell and sell alone. Pounds chef is making a funny structure, so it keeps making this. So, but to me, this is an A. What I'm looking at, this is an A, this is B, no matter how it wastes time. So if I don't see the wave B happening like this, that is coming up somewhere around this area. I can only sell when this line is broken properly. I keep selling properly because here it broke, but they didn't broke properly. Why I'm saying this, you don't enter a sell when you see the price, brace the line. Somewhere said when this line breaks, it haven't broke. You just tested it and goes back. When it breaks, you break properly. To know that and to learn that, join my class. Simple. I learned to do this, and I spend the money to learn it. For you to learn it, you must have everything free. Spend the money to learn, and I don't charge much. I charge a little, and I'll give you much value. All right. So if you get A, B, C, then I will sell. After selling, I'll look for buy. So all pound space, buying them, I don't see the reason to buy them. Oh, I made 2 charts. Oh, for pound card. Right. Okay, pound shape. Okay, pound shape and pound shape and pound card have a similar structure. You can see it ABC. So pound space have a similar structure. So this is A. I want to see the price to break this channel as A, B, C. Then I will sell from here. Okay. New Zealand, pounds New Zealand. I've seen a pair that's this is something similar to this thing. Okay. Okay, so what I'm trying to what I'm looking at on this pair is that this can be A, B, then C. If that is the case, then this small A, B, C will be overruled. So, in my opinion, this is what we have, A, B, C. If you get this, I will be happy because from here, I will look for buy. Alternatively, this C will not happen. The bigger A, B, C will take place. Maybe this selling can come to this level, truncate and go up. But I tell you, this will likely happen. This ABC will likely happen. But it is 80/20. This, I give this 80% A, B, C to happen. Then I give this. This will happen eventually, but happening without this happening is what I'm trying to say. This happening A, B, C. That is, if this B will be here. This A, then this B, A, B, C, B will be here. Then this C will happen. For this B, the pole of B is 20%. This B coming here is 80%. So I would like to take a short trade on 1 hour. Let me know if I have the 1 hour chart here. I don't have it. So on 1 hour, I will look for if I do a setup on 1 hour, I will take it. Then this is pounds New Zealand. Wait, sorry, I have the 1 hour. Oh my God, I've been here for more than 3 hours. So don't blame me if I have some mistakes. I've been analyzing those statistics for more than 2 hours now, or 3 hours, not 3 hours. So don't blame me for the such mix-up. Yes, this is the 1 hour candles. Yeah, 1 hour gives us a reason to sell. This is a 3 waves move. And I don't see it continue going like this. No. I don't think it happen. So if this is a sharp move, and is impulsive, so getting an A, B, C will be perfect. In fact, any investment inside this red zone is I will sell pounds New Zealand inside this red zone. Then stop loss will be here. Take profit will be around here. So it's a good trade to me. Pounds AUD. Pounds AUD. I didn't show the 4 hours, sorry for that. But in 4 hours and daily, these blue balls have been there for weeks, if not months now. The market's gone to the blue balls. When this happened, I told you we are likely going back to the blue balls. It's going to the blue balls again, try to break it so you can see this candle and give us a very nice move. This very type of move shows that we are tired of going up. We now want to go down. So I wish we have this zigzag A, B, C. Then we sell from here. It will either happen or a flag happens or a flat. A flat in the sense that we might not exceed this A before the selling continues. So what am I selling? Buying for now to me is ruled out. As far as GB pounds AUD is concerned. New Zealand card. The market has entered our blue balls and gave us, and the sign of up move is here. This move is a sign of up move. Whenever market comes to a target, be careful in trading it because you might think it's still going deep. It won't go deep. So this red zone is a buying zone. Unless it goes outside the blue balls, it means my analysis is wrong. But as long as this blue balls still here, the worst thing that will happen is that this wave C will still come here. But for me, I'm looking for buy. Let me go to 1 hour. We have the 1 hour here. I don't even know. Okay, the 1 hour is here. Okay, so this very move is good. Getting something like A, B, C. Now, what do I make this line? This is the minimum level of where I would like to enter by. So what I'm trying to say, you can enter by here. It's better to do A, B, C, and see the price coming down. Even if it comes to this level again, don't panic. Remember, this is the 1 hour. It doesn't have such yeah. So even if we have an A, B, C, remember here will be a stop loss. So my advice is that if you see a good zigzag, A, B, C, you can buy with a normal loss size. But if we get a sluggish move here, you can use your loss size so that if it comes deep again, you can buy. You have 2 trades on this, but it will be a good buy trade. Okay, I think I have finished what I have. Maybe let me go to live charts. I still have a little slides to talk, so let me go to live chat. But the video is much already. But people don't like to watch long video. We have said for 60 minutes explaining, but there are many threads. Okay. Anyway, I'm coming to the end of this video. Let me cut the video here. The next will be cryptos. So, as I said earlier, if you want to learn, we will teach you how to analyze the market. If you are watching our video, you know that we are always correct. At least 80 to 80% of the time, we are correct in the market. So you get the knowledge. We want to give you the knowledge. The money you will pay us, it's just to compare the knowledge you will get. So if you have the money and the time, take your time and learn. I always advise to those who are trading only cryptos, learn to trade forex because it will give you an edge to those who don't do. If you can read the charts, if you can read the chart, you have an edge to those who only watch the news to buy Bitcoin, buy Ethereum, buy BNB, because all these are similar. What happened on crypto is also happening on forex. So learning to analyze the market technically is an edge. So like our video, share our video. If you have somebody who wants to learn, then introduce the person to me. Join our Telegram channel. It's free. From time to time, we post free trades there. Okay, thank you for watching. This is once again, I come to the end of this video. God bless you as you are watching. Bye bye.